If you're someone like me who does presentations in different languages, your Copilot tool is going to come in and be a game changer inside of your PowerPoint and other documents. For example, if I'm looking to go ahead and translate this document into another language, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Copilot icon over here. I'm going to select the translate this presentation. The window on the right is going to open up. I'm going to be able to select from the different languages that I can choose from. I speak Spanish, so I'm going to select Spanish over here. Translate. The Copilot tool goes ahead and translates the entirety of my presentation into Spanish, maintaining the same structure, just changing the words into Spanish. Now I can go ahead and give this presentation in Spanish effectively. You're also going to be able to find the translate button inside of your Word documents and other Office Suite documents. And also, if you click on the Copilot chat over here, you can also go ahead and use to translate this document from here as well.